तो भारत देश के प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का आज 75वां जन्मदिन है। इस मौके पर हम आपके लिए दो खास रिसर्च लेकर आए हैं। पहला कि मोदी सरकार के कार्यकाल में पिछले 5 साल में किन किन सेक्टर्स में जबरदस्त एक्शन, जोरदार परफॉर्मेंस देखने को मिला। वहीं दूसरा, मोदी सरकार के कार्यकाल में कौन से बड़े रिफॉर्म्स जो हैं वो पेश किए गए हैं। हमारे साथ हमारे दोनों सहयोगी शरद दुबे और प्रकाश प्रियदर्शी जुड़ेंगे ये एक्सक्लूसिव रिसर्चेस लेकर। लेकिन उससे भी पहले पीएम मोदी के 75वें बर्थडे पर ग्लोबल लीडर्स और इंडस्ट्री के दिग्गजों की बधाइयां भी आ रही हैं। आइए आपको वो भी दिखाते हैं।
It's a great pleasure to wish Prime Minister Modi a happy 75th birthday. In these uncertain times, we all need good friends, and Modi ji has always been a good friend to me and to Britain.
Your Excellency, I join our Gyalsuks, our national service men and women, and indeed all the people of Bhutan in offering our warmest wishes on your 75th birth anniversary.
It was a 2.5-hour budget speech, and I didn't know it's going to take so long, but never mind, I hadn't had water before coming, and during the session also I didn't drink, and I was dehydrated. People wondered what was wrong with me, and slowly I had to sit down, and after that, periodically, even today he reminds me, are you taking care of yourself? What is it? He doesn't have to. He has so many ministers. So that care, that tenderness in him, he's seen as a tough, serious, big leader, but he's got that human element in him, which I want to have.
He's a person, he's a perfectionist, he's a person of great detail, but with a great ability to correct, course correct, he wants to know all the time. And again, I saw something very interesting. When the conversation started, he started with the junior most person, so that the junior most person was not influenced by what the senior person said. So today, for example, if I travel with him, I'm the last person to speak because I'm the minister.
On behalf of the entire business community of India, on behalf of the Reliance family, and on behalf of the Ambani family, I convey my heartiest felicitations to Prime Minister Modi ji. It is not a coincidence that Modi ji's Amrit Mahotsav is coming in Bharat's Amrit Kal. It is my deepest wish that Modi ji should continue to serve India when independent India turns 100.
Prime Minister Modi, my best wishes to you on your 75th birthday. I wish you good health and continued strength as you lead India's fantastic progress and contribute to global development.
श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के 75वें जन्म दिवस पर मैं उनको अपनी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। 75 साल की उम्र में जो आपकी पेस है, एनर्जी है, वो हम जैसे जवान लोगों को भी पीछे छोड़ देती है। सो मैं दुआ करता हूं कि आप हमेशा स्वस्थ रहें, तंदुरुस्त रहें, मजबूत रहें और खुशहाल रहें।